So this video is going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a Chevy Bolt without using any tools at all, just your hands. And it process takes about 30 seconds or definitely less than a minute, and you're not going to need any tools whatsoever. And here is the replacement cabin air filter for a Chevy Bolt, model year 2017. Should be the same part number for all model years of the Chevy Bolt. And again, this costs $20 at AutoZone. You can get it online at Amazon or most auto parts stores, roughly about $20. Okay, so once you open up the glove compartment, all you need to do is push the edges on each side, push them in a little ways. You might need to press the top part here to help it clear, but basically that'll just push the whole glove compartment down like that. So basically there's a little piece here that catches, and then there's also a piece on the other side right here. So when you push that in, it's just going to make it come loose. Now the problem is that you've got this little piston here that keeps it from coming all the way out. You need to pull it all the way out to get access. Most of the videos I've seen tell you to remove this little bit from the peg, and then that's fine, but the problem is getting it back on. It's really a pain in the neck to get this back on. You need at least two tools, either two pairs of pliers or pair of pliers, needle nose pliers and a screwdriver. It's kind of a pain, but watch this. All you really need to do is just push this little piston like that, and it disengages from a pin in there. That's all you need to do. You don't need any tools at all except for your hands. Once we've got the glove box open, you see here, this is where the filter goes in. You just need to press on these little clips right here to open the door. That exposes the filter. Notice that the filter has a direction. The airflow direction should be down. So just reach in, pull the filter out like that. You can see it's a little bit dirty. So we just push the filter back in there. Make sure we got the right direction, airflow down like when we pulled it out. Push it all the way in, super easy. Then we take this little bit here. When we push this back in, make sure the clips are facing out like that. And then this little tab just goes in the end right there. So that goes in there. Push the tabs in, make sure it's set properly. So here's how we get the piston back on. Before we put the glove compartment back in, we want to get this piston in position. You'll notice that there's two little mounting holes right there, 1 and 2. First thing you want to do is pull the piston all the way out. Do it gently so it's at its full extension. And then this little hole here is going to go right over this little peg here. It just slides right on, super easy. And you want to do this hole here goes onto the peg. So basically